Hi, I'm Philip with RapidCanvas. RapidCanvas takes enterprise AI from concept to production at scale, combining elite human expertise with agentic AI platforms to deliver outcomes from day one. Today, I'll walk you through a solution we built for a workforce lodging provider whose entire business hinges on negotiating better hotel rates than their customers could get themselves. This client has a network of roughly 17,000 hotels. Their margin is the spread between the rate they negotiate and the rate they sell to corporate customers. The negotiations team faces two compounding problems. First, they have no systematic way to know which of those 17,000 hotels to negotiate with, where the money is actually being left on the table. And secondly, when they do pick a hotel, prepping for that single conversation takes 15 to 20 minutes of manual research across spreadsheets, Tableau dashboards, and tribal knowledge. Multiply that across the team every week, and you're burning hours before a single call even gets made. RapidCanvas built this client a single workspace that solves both problems, and it all starts here. Every hotel in their network is scored in two dimensions: opportunity, measuring how much spread we're losing, and leverage, meaning how much room we have to push the hotel for a better rate. Those two scores assign each property to a priority bucket. So a negotiator opens this Monday morning and instantly sees the 20 hotels where they should focus on this week, ranked with the dollar value of the opportunity attached. They can slice it by segment and by market and by chain. They can select multiple different buckets to see which hotels they should first investigate. They can apply a variety of different filters, slicing by segment, market, chain. The decision of who to call goes from half a day exercise to a glance. Once they pick a hotel, by either scrolling through this list, filtering down, or by searching, that opens up the prep pack. Everything they use to pull manually from 5 different sources is here in just one view. The current spread and where it sits versus the target, volume and rate trends over time, competitive sets within a configurable radius, so they can see exactly what nearby hotels they could shift business to as leverage, peer benchmarks against similar properties, the top customers staying at this hotel, which tells the negotiators who's actually exposed to a rate change, and a recommended rate target based on the math, not the gut. And so this is where the agentic layer comes in. Built on top of all of that data is an AI assistant that generates a tailored negotiation playbook for this specific hotel. The opener, likely pushback, fallback positions, the walk away. The negotiator can also ask follow-up questions in natural language and get answers that are grounded in the underlying data. It's not a generic chatbot, it's a coach that really knows this hotel property. And so because this is enterprise AI, leadership has got full visibility into adoption and impact through usage analytics. So the result is a negotiations team that walks into every call knowing where the money is, what the right number is, how to get there in a secure, compliant, delivering real outcomes from day one. That's RapidCanvas.